Hello friends, welcome to today's video. If things look a little familiar and yet a little different, I'm wearing the same clothes and have my hair done the same way as my BoxyCharm unboxing because it's actually the same day. However, if the lighting and stuff looks a little different, it's because it's about 7:30 p.m. right now. I don't usually film at this time of day because the sun kind of comes down at an awkward angle, but I filmed and posted my BoxyCharm video earlier today, and then when I got home from doing the things that I was doing today, my Ipsy was here, and because it's a busy month, busy week, it's gonna be busy over the next week and a half or so, and I had a little bit of time, I thought I would open this now. It's always so much fun. So this is my July Ipsy for those of you in Canada, if you're interested in getting this. It ends up with the exchange rate costing like $19 to $20 in around there per month. And I think that's everything I have to say. Let's open it. It feels a little heavy this month, and it also feels like one of those plasticky faux leather kind of bags. Okay, so we have turquoise and light pink. It's a very sort of beachy, tropical kind of theme. I like the little zipper pull on the Ipsy this time. It's just kind of cute. It looks like a little, I don't know, pink M&M or something with Ipsy on there. And it seems that everything is actually within the bag itself. I don't think there's anything, nope, nothing left in the mailer. So I'm gonna get the card out of here. So the theme this month is Dive In. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks, guaranteed to keep those chill, poolside vibes going all month long. So I'm not gonna look at what's listed in here, but we'll see how well what is in here fits the theme of like being at the pool, beachy waves, summertime. So, okay. This, I bet, is going to be some kind of powder product. It's a little box. So we have a blush from a company I've never heard of before called Phase Zero Makeup. This is the Cotton Candy Blusher. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I always love getting new brands. It just makes it exciting to find out about new products that are out there. This was packaged incredibly well in this little cardboard box, by the way. So we've got a little plastic container, and that is what their logo looks like, Phase Zero. Okay, and we have a pretty dusty rose kind of color. This reminds me very much of one of the shades that was just in the Tartist Glow palette for a really pretty blush that's very soft, and that's the shade there. Focus on, here we go. It doesn't seem too pigmented. It seems like it would build up well, but it seems very soft and really pretty. And they even put a little mirror in here. So this would be a good on the go kind of product. So I guess a pink blush is kind of like summery and beachy. Product number 2, we've got a squeezy tube. So I'm gonna assume this is skincare in some way. Ooh, something from Ciate. Oh, okay. I was getting things a little confused there. There was a product, anyway. This is a primer. This is a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, and it's interesting that there appear to be suspended in there little bubbles, which are probably supposed to look like watermelon seeds since it's Watermelon Burst. A little strange being in a primer, but I quite like Ciate products. Of the ones that I've tried, I really do enjoy them. I have a couple of primers on the go to try out, but I'm excited about trying this. So I've not heard of it before, and I just want to see. Yeah, it very much smells like watermelon and appears to be just a clear gel. Oh, that, okay. I know some folks have issues with fragrance in their skincare, including sort of primers and foundations that sit all over your skin. This has the most wonderful, juicy watermelon smell, which I quite enjoy, but I'm going to guess there's fragrance in here. But this seems really nicely hydrating, so I'm excited about that. Okay, this feels like a bubble pack. Masks? Interesting. Okay. I don't know what these are, so I'm gonna let you look at the package And then I'm going to give it a closer read because is it a mask? Why are there pictures of pills on there? Who is this made by? So this seems to be from a company called BRTC, or just BRTC. One is a vitalizer sleeping mask and one is a pore tightener sleeping mask. I'm going to guess that it's actually like a gel mask inside these, so I'm not going to pop it open until I want to use one. It's interesting that it's a sleeping mask and that there's two different kinds. I would be totally up for trying this. We can kind of maybe do as a test putting it on, going to bed, and then filming as soon as I get up in the morning to let you know what these are like. And they've got little pictures on here. Like, yeah. That's so weird. There's like, one is a picture of an iron with like a little squiggle under it, and one is like a watering can. Maybe that means it's hydrating. But then there's like something that looks like a scale, so maybe balancing. I don't know. There's a whole thing going on here that I don't understand about this company and what this is. But in a way that's really exciting because it's something entirely new to me. So I can figure that out. This feels like either a mascara or a lip product. Brighten, let's see. This is by the company Red Earth, Brightening Concentrate, I guess it is. So is it a skincare item? It's a Brighten Concentrate oil with Kadaku plum, one of the world's richest natural sources of vitamin C. So Kadaku plum and provitamin A beta carotene, this multitasking elixir will leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated from the outside in, from the skin to the soul. I don't think it scientifically works that way, but we use 93% natural ingredients. Use upward circular motions, massaging a few drops into cleansed skin. So it's some kind of like vitamin C, vitamin A facial oil. And yep, there it is. It's a little dropper bottle of oil. It has a fruity smell to it. And it's like sticky kind of oil. Like there's definitely more of a tack to my skin than an oily slip. And it definitely has some kind of like orange or citrus kind of smell. Maybe that's the plum smell is actually what that is. Or, silly me, maybe I'm smelling the watermelon primer. Let me put a little touch of this on my other hand. No, there's still a bit of a fruity concentrate kind of smell there. I do enjoy skincare items, so that is good. Now, for the very last item, is this a lip product? Is it an eye pencil? It's some kind of pencil-y feeling thing. Oh, it's a little lip product. Okay, awesome. It's a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Babe Alert. It seems kind of like right up my alley with the shade there. It's just sort of a nice pink. It feels like it would go well with that blush. And yeah, an Always On lipstick. I've actually never tried one of these, so it's kind of nice in amongst all these brands that I get to learn about brand new to also get like some Ciate and some Smashbox, companies that I know quite well. And that is everything. So I think this is another really good box. I mean, we got a primer, we got a face mask, we got a face oil, we got a blush, and we got a lipstick. So a great combo of makeup and skincare items. They have the little list here of items. They don't provide prices in here, but I just want to go back to those masks and the little pods and see what it says. So I'm right that the company is called BRTC. Customized skincare products for all different skin types is BRTC's mission. And this set of masks does the work while you dream. Reach for the Vitalizer mask to moisturize, refresh, and boost radiance, or the pore tightening mask to refine pores, brighten, and even out skin texture. Apply one mask evenly to cleanse skin, avoiding your eyes and lips. Leave it on while you sleep, rinse it off in the morning, and then follow your regular skincare routine. So I'm guessing all those little pictograms on there that almost kind of look like, you know, in your clothing on the tag, it'll have the symbols for like the laundry cleaning kind of symbols. It looks a little like that. So perhaps because they are all about customized skincare, they put a bunch of those onto different items so that you can sort of pull together what you want to customize your skincare for yourself. It seems like it might be kind of a cool company, so I'm excited to take a look into that one. So that was my Ipsy bag for July. What was yours like if you get Ipsy? Did you like it? Did you get different stuff? What kind of things are you excited about? What would you like to see me test here? All of that good stuff, leave it in the comments and I will respond. as soon as I can. I have about a week and 2 days of busyness left by the time I post this. Thank you so much, guys, for being patient with me and for taking the time to watch my video. If you made it this far and you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button. It's probably down there somewhere to subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye.